This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
So here we are with one more video on this channel, and in this video we'll be taking a look on file name based XSS. But before going to the video, we're having announcements here. We have launched the second batch of Bug Bounty Master Course, which is a 50-day master course based for Bug Bounty Hunters from beginner to advanced level, including lots of tasks and lots of contents, as you guys can see here. Here are the reviews that you guys want to take a look on. Further details are mentioned in the description, so make sure to take a look on it, and let's get into the video. So initially we have seen a lot of POCs about bug bounties, about XSS in the previous channel too. So the concern is simple, quite simple here, that okay, we are having a lot of ways to find and detect vulnerabilities, but yeah, here we have a very weird or very old trick to find XSS. So in this particular POC you will be seeing that okay, we are simply using a payload in the name of a file and then we are trying to execute it. So it's simple to detect, but first of all take a look on the POC. As you can see in this POC, you guys can see that the payload was as simple as I just said. You can simply name the payload in the file name and then your extension. So it was quite simple to detect. Wherever you can upload any file and the file name is getting reflected somehow in the source code, you guys can definitely try this thing. It was as simple as this to detect it. So I guess that was a quick video about it. But yes, we have a few more things for you. On 29th September, I'm not sure when I'm posting this video. So on 29th September, we'll be having a 5-hour free bootcamp for POC breakdowns and a lot of other things. So make sure to take a look on that. The link is also in the description. And also the master course links and all the details about it is also in the description. So make sure to check it out. And that was for the video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and see you guys in the upcoming videos.